for watching. Learn with Toons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi friends. Welcome back to Learn with Toons. Today, we're diving deep under the sea to learn 5 super cool ocean facts for kids. Grab your goggles, let's swim into the fun. Fact number 1, the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth. That means most of our planet is water, not land. Fact number 2, did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 to the rest of the body. Fact number 3, coral reefs are made of tiny living creatures called polyps. They build big, beautiful homes under the sea, like underwater cities. Fact number 4, dolphins are super smart and they talk to each other using clicks and whistles. It's like their own underwater language. Fact number 5, we've only explored about 5% of the ocean. That means there are still thousands of sea creatures waiting to be discovered. Wow! The ocean is full of amazing secrets. Which ocean fact was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun with Learn with Toons. Bye-bye, little explorers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.